All right, class, welcome back to Algebra 2, first and fourth periods. Today we are looking at section 10.4. This is Monday, the 6th of April. You have already looked in section 10.3 where you've simplified and verified. I'm not sure I spelled verified correctly, but go with it. Now we're going to solve equations. You may now algebraically and arithmetically work on both sides of the equal sign. So it's going to free up a lot of things for you guys. You'll hopefully appreciate that. Now, I have taken our first example, removed sign from it, and we're going to solve it algebraically. So there will be an algebraic answer. It's going to require getting the x by itself. So we're going to add the square root of 3 to both sides of the equation. That'll give us a 2x equals, and this is 0 plus the square root of 3, which is square root of 3. Now we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 2. And the answer is x equals square root of 3 over 2. And algebraically, that is correct. We're going to step up this a little bit. I'm going to move our camera over to encompass the unit circle. All right. I still want to solve for x. Well, x by itself. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add square root of 3 to both sides. This time, instead of 2x, I have 2 sine x equals square root of 3. I still want to get rid of this coefficient of 2. So I'm going to divide by 2 because that's what they're held together with, is multiplication. 2's cancel. Now I have sine of x equals square root of 3 over 2. The question is, what is x? So we're asked, where is sine? Where, that's what the x represents, where is sine square root of 3 over 2? Now your author's going to say x is sine inverse of square root of 3 over 2. And that's fine. I prefer to say, where is x? Where is x when sine is square root of 3 over 2? So we're going to go to our unit circle. Either turn in your text, find an old one, use this one. I've got the top half completed. So where is sine square root of 3 over 2? So I'm looking around my unit circle, going from 0 degrees, and I find that at pi thirds or 60 degrees. You can answer either way. I think the author most of the time will answer in radians. So where is x square root of 3 over 2? One of your answers is pi thirds. Now, if you are not confined to one unit circle, or from 0 degrees to 360 degrees, or 0 pi radians to 2 pi radians, if you're not confined, then it goes around and around and around forever. And so you will need to say that it goes around and around forever. Or it goes around 2 pi times n. So it starts at pi thirds, goes around 360 degrees, or 2 pi, comes back to here, and it goes around again, and again, and again. So this is one place. Your author may say 2n pi. I like to say 2 pi n. So that is one place, but if you'll note on your unit circle, sine is also square root of 3 at 120 degrees, or 2 thirds pi, or 2 pi thirds. So here's another answer, 2 pi thirds, and then it cycles again. Now, sometimes your author will say confined between 0 pi and 2 pi. Then you would only need to list pi thirds and 2 pi thirds. You'll just need to follow the directions, check your odd answers, see how it goes. Hope you like that first example.